as augmented analytics is adopted, it's critical to reevaluate processes and the ways in which technology and data teams are involved in those business processes, especially as business people get closer to their data, closer to their analytics, and more self-sufficient.
With the shrinking costs of AI driven by the hyperscale cloud, it's become possible to drive new kinds of productivity for data analysts. Augmented analytics uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate data analysis, providing real-time insights and predictive analytics within a familiar business intelligence tool.
In augmented analytics, we enable non-technical users to automate analytics and reports and dashboards so that they can find insights and act on them in real time. What's changed to make this happen is it ranges in three areas. AI, we have machine learning and large language models. In computing power, we have faster and more compute as well as more space, and we have the advantages of the cloud that makes things possible that weren't available before.
The urgency really is to bridge the gap between business SMEs and technical SMEs, be able to provide the business the capability to be responsive to ongoing business changes and increase productivity really for the organization.
Well, first problem that we know that we can go address is giving the business user more direct access to the data. We can focus our energies on the mechanics of governing our data, managing our data, knowing that our business users have better access to that in their own terms, and they can get more value directly.
Focus on your semantic layer. Make sure it's in good shape. Make sure your analytics COE is exposed to it, using it, that it's driving effective outcomes for them. And only then, once your analytics COE really has access to and good understanding of that semantic layer, do you want to start to bring in the AI capabilities over the top to start to automate some of the work.
So I often hear augmented analytics is magical. It does things in mysterious ways, but it's not really so without you do the upfront work of configuring the metadata, doing the synonyms, the annotations, so you can speak to your data in human language.
Augmented analytics is about getting the business more independent, more freedom to ask creative questions and get direct access to the data, answering questions faster, driving more objective outcomes.